Hi, I'm Beth Pratt, and I am doing a SWOT analysis on the Paper Mill Lounge and Theater. The Paper Mill Lounge and Theater is located in Sylva, North Carolina, in Jackson County. It opened its doors around June of 2017, and it has set itself apart in the area by combining an upscale lounge with a performance venue. Some of the strengths for the lounge is the owner is highly experienced in entertainment industry, and he's also an on-site manager. The interior is unique, clean, and comfortable. It's one of the only bars in the region to specialize in handcrafted cocktails. It brings one-of-a-kind functions and events to the area. It has well-trained staff. It has a great downtown location off of Main, and it has developed a recognizable branded image. Some of the weaknesses: there's no on-street parking near the business. It's sort of located on the back street, so all of the main businesses are on the other side of the buildings. The lounge is small, and there's no way to expand in the location. It's also a private club that requires membership, so there's, of course, some people who are not really interested in paying the membership fee. It's fairly new to the market, and it has to establish itself to the locals. It has issues with noise, and the landlord has registered complaints himself about that. Cash flow is also a continuing problem for the lounge. The opportunities: there is a late night taxi service coming to the area, which could promote people going to the lounge. Another opportunity would be an expansion of the franchise to perhaps Canton. They could also add a coffee shop during daytime hours to sort of double the amount of income they could bring in. More opportunities are: there's a new building across the street that has a larger location, and there's the potential for them to rent that and renovate. Other opportunities: Sylva has new attention from movie fans and makers, so there should be a large amount of people coming through this summer, specifically to downtown Sylva. More students are applying to Western Carolina University than ever, so you're going to have a larger student population that could potentially frequent the bar. There are more bars and restaurants downtown, which is just going to increase the draw to the area in general as a destination for, say, weekend nights out. The threats: there's another similar club that is reopening on the better side of Main Street in a larger location. He also has issues with the landlord, who's most likely not interested in renewing the current lease. He has issues finding reliable labor. That's a continuing problem for him. There's also the threat always of a chain restaurant offering similar cocktails opening. And then, of course, there's the continuing increase to his operating costs. My overview: the Paper Mill Lounge and Theater offers more opportunities than strengths overall. Many of the weaknesses and threats could be avoided by seeking a new venue and continuing to set themselves apart through events and attention to quality. Thank you.